What's up everybody, PC Mentor is here. Today in this video I'm going to show you how we can download and install the Phoenix operating system without any problem like the booting error or the Wi-Fi problem. So everything I will be showing you in this video. Let's get started after this short intro. I have given link in the description. Just click on that link and you will be redirected to the official Phoenix OS website. From here we will be going to download. On this platform there are two versions available. One is the Android 7.1 and the other is Android 5.1. So if you want to boot the Phoenix OS to the USB, you can download this ISO image. But we will be going to download the exe installer. So here is the Google Drive and the Mega Drive option, so you can download it from that. Once you have downloaded the Phoenix, now we will be going to install it. Click yes. There are three options. We will be going to install the Phoenix operating system.